Buy all your Willys and Jeep restoration parts at thejeepsterman.com, because we're not just Jeepsters anymore.
Hey guys, this is John at Jeepster Man. Today we're talking about the Jeepster Commando taillight lens kit that we sell. This kit is made by Jeepster Man. We make all these lenses, all these gaskets, and then we sell the stainless steel A27 screws that go with it. So you can see, here's the taillights on the Jeepster Commando. Driver's side and passenger side. So you can see our kit comes with two reverse lenses, which are the clear ones that are at the top. These are the red lenses for the brake lights. They have the cat eye in the back of them as well. And then you can see you've got 12 stainless steel screws. This is the gasket here. I'll show you that if you were to take this whole taillight housing out, the metal housing that's behind this, that's the gasket that goes in between the housing and the body. A little bit more difficult to remove that housing. You don't have to remove that if you don't want to, but we do send that gasket. And then these are the gaskets that go in between the lenses and the housing. Very simple to install those. You can see they already got the pre-drilled holes in them for the screws. So you'll see what happens here. These lenses, you know, they crack over time, they fade. The reverse lenses tend to discolor, and then somebody didn't use stainless steel screws on this. So like I said, our kit comes with stainless steel so that they don't rust and look like these do. These even kind of started to look warped, especially this side. Not really sure what happened. Maybe they got hot. Very simple installation. All you're gonna need to do this is just a Phillips head screwdriver. Unless you want to change those gaskets in the back, you'll need a few more tools. But you're only going to have to remove 12 screws, so 6 screws on each side, and replace those. Pretty simple installation. And then using the new gaskets hopefully keeps these sealed up for you as well to keep water from getting in there. So you can find this kit on our site. Again, this is made by the Jeepster Man. It's on our website, thejeepsterman.com. You can email us, sales@thejeepsterman.com, if you got questions. You can call us, 314-798-6462. And the part number for this, we call this JC Lens Kit, or Jeepster Commando Taillight Lens. Thank you for watching.
To get a free copy of the Willys and Jeep Restoration Parts catalog from the Jeepster Man, go to www.thejeepsterman.com and order your free copy today.
Awesome. Actually, you know what?
No high tech at all.